Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by verifying versions because mismatched drivers break the container. Once you confirm Windows build and GPU driver/CUDA versions, open services and locate the NVIDIA Local System Container. Stop its dependent services from an elevated command prompt so nothing interferes with repairs. Then set the container's startup to automatic and clear any crash flags in the event viewer. Make sure you run these steps as administrator. Permissions matter. This gets you to a clean state for deeper repairs. Next, you perform the actual repair. In Device Manager, uninstall the GPU driver and choose to delete driver software to remove corrupted files. Once rebooted, run the latest NVIDIA driver installer and choose Clean Install. This restores the container service binaries and registry entries. After installation, verify the presence of NVIDIA container executables in program files and confirm service entries in services. MSC. If needed, run the installer's repair option again. These steps finally reboot and confirm the NVIDIA Local System Container starts and stays running. Use NVIDIA SMI to validate GPU access. Once done, make sure Windows Update and the NVIDIA Control Panel show matching versions so future conflicts are less likely. If it still fails, open Event Viewer, copy the exact error messages, and search for missing DLL names or permission denials. A key troubleshooting tip: if services repeatedly crash, try reverting to a known good driver or restore to a system point before the problem began. That often resolves deep configuration corruption.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.